warmed up on this car, I swear, you hear the craziest pops and gunshots from the exhaust. It's wild because I never thought that it would make all these noises with just the sport cat. I mean, I have the stock exhaust, stock muffler, the catback, all that stuff is just stock, so it's pretty wild. Here is the beautiful BMW M2, and let me show you guys the cables that you actually need. We have the typical OBD 2-port, which I'll show you guys what that looks like. That's the end right there, and that obviously has an Ethernet at the end of it. We bought ourselves a Keys Motorsports adapter. It's Ethernet to a lightning cable, and that of course is what goes into my iPhone. Okay, so very first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and plug the lightning port into the iPhone. All right, so we got the iPhone connected to the Keys Motorsports adapter in the OBD2. We are on the correct page to flash, but first we got to make sure that we turn on the vehicle, not fully obviously, just the electronics, so I'm not on the brake. Make sure that obviously your radio, all that stuff's completely off, your AC's off, and make sure your lights are off. Another thing, you guys want to make sure your seatbelt is on. I don't know why, but it's what you should do when you're tuning. We did this for the Thor flasher, and we're also going to do it for boot mode. I guess we're just going to go ahead and click on flash. We have the correct map here. This is stage 2 93 octane, and we are ready to go. Flash now, confirm. Battery charger is highly recommended. We are gonna go ahead and do it without the battery charger and hope nothing goes wrong. Okay, so it's already beginning the flashing process. As you guys can see, we have a bunch of stuff going off right now. Flat tire monitor, collision warning system, 3% completed. We're going slowly but surely. I'm honestly really excited for this tune. I've never tuned any of my other cars before. Obviously, I owned a Corvette C8, which was really just untunable. And I did have a BMW M2 before this back in 2016 when they first came out, a blue one. But I didn't actually do any mods to that vehicle whatsoever. So this is really gonna be my first car that I'm tuning a lot, getting all the horsepower out of it, and I'm just really excited, man. I want to see what kind of difference it's gonna make. And I think because I am going straight for stage 2 93 octane, I think I'm gonna feel a pretty big difference. There's supposed to be like a horsepower gain of like 60 to 80 horsepower and then like almost 100 torque. This is gonna be awesome. And we're already at 47%, and we've only been here, it's flying 50%, and we've only been here for about 3 minutes. Yeah, we're really zooming right now. This is going up a percent every single second. Holy. And it's gonna be really nice because I'm gonna have the ability to clear my my check engine lights. I currently have one. I think it's because of my sport cats, but I'm not exactly sure. We'll clear it anyways as soon as this is done. We're in the 90s, 97, 98, 99. There it is, finishing up. All right, let's see what it says. Restoring coding, please wait. Oh, we got some more warnings popping up. I think it's kind of just clearing all the codes, refreshing it once again. My rev limiter just went off the, look at that. It's going crazy. Clearing codes in all vehicle ECUs, please wait. Oh, there it is, guys. Success. Stage 2 93 octane has flashed successfully. Turn off the ignition, wait 5 seconds, and start the car. So let's go ahead and do that right now. We're just gonna turn it off, wait maybe 10 seconds, wait a little bit longer. We're gonna turn on the car. Everything feels the same for now. Sorry if I'm sweating, guys. Holy, it's like 35 degrees outside right now. It's very hot, and I'm in this car with no AC, obviously, but we gotta turn that on now, finally. Oh, and actually, my check engine light actually disappeared. Check that out. We don't have that anymore, so we are good. No more check engine light. We're gonna pick up Boris right now. We're gonna go for a spin and see how big of a difference I can see right off the rip. Honest, this guy right here, he's scared of the power. He's really scared of the power. Look at him. All right, I'm ready. You excited for this?
Yeah, I am. Let's do it.
Look at that, look at it, it's flying! Oh my goodness! That is a lot faster.
So what you're saying is not only did you beat me with my stock S4, you're gonna dust me now.
Most likely, yeah, most likely. High speed run going this way.
Oh!
What the
Wow, it burbles.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Dude, it's flying through the
Yeah, it is flying.
Look, it's flying.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Holy.
Yeah.
It just keeps pulling.
It keeps pulling, exactly.
It's continuous. Skimmer.
Oh, wheel spin.
Snap, crackle, pop. this carries over. Whoa! Who yelled? You hear that?
Yeah.
So I was like, hey.
Hey, that thing got hit by a gun.
Gunshots, baby. Oh, there we go.
Oh my god.
There it is. Yeah, it's after the downshift.
Gunshots on demand.
Okay, that was pretty good. It wasn't a loud one, but it was a little one.
Here we go.
It does it when you go super slow. Yeah.
Okay guys, so it is a couple days after the tune, and I have to say I've been thoroughly impressed with just the day-to-day driving of this vehicle. It really does feel similar to OEM. I mean, really not that different. The only difference is that it has a lot more power. You really notice that it continues to pull and it just keeps wanting to pull. Whenever I look at the speedo, it just like, it starts flying and you're like, wow, it didn't do that before. Obviously when you're in lower gears and you're driving more slowly, if you step on it right away, I mean the tires are just gonna go nuts back there if you don't have a lot of grip. And just listen to that beautiful noise. Woo. And this is, I love that. I love that. It's cracks and pops and backfires on demand. Oh my goodness, man. So much power on tap, it's beautiful. Oh man. Let's have some fun here and see what kind of difference this tune makes over stock power. That is wild! The cracks, the pops, they're so much louder. So here's the crazy thing, guys. I actually went into the configuration settings of the tune itself, and I lowered some of the burbles and the gunshots and stuff like that because it's a little crazy, honestly. And it's a little bit too much, especially if this car is city driven, which mine is, and it's just basically a ticket waiting to happen. So I cut out some of the burbles, the bangs, the gunshots, but they're still there, and it's like the perfect amount in my opinion. Oh, this is amazing. Perfect pavement compound for drifting. I love it here. So yeah, you guys will be able to see the stock numbers on this car, and you'll be able to see the stage 2 full bolt-on numbers, you know, a side-by-side comparison, which is going to be really nice. And we're going to the exact same place, same dyno, all that good stuff, so we're going to see pretty accurate results here, and I for one cannot wait. I'm hoping we crack that magical number, the 400 wheel horsepower in the OG M2. Now, of course, there are other things that I can do to really bring out a lot more horsepower in this car. I can do meth, I can do, you know, stage 2 turbo, all that good stuff, really. E85, but I don't think I want to do any of that stuff just because that's going to put too much strain on the vehicle, and I do want it to be relatively reliable. Alright guys, but that is going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, baby. Subscribe for more daily car content, including your very own BMW M2, and of course my brother's Audi S4. We do have to race them again once his gets modded, so that'll be another fun video that we have in the works, guys. But with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.